This is the making of our campfire place. Last winter we removed the beech hedges. After we took out all the bushes and plants, it was time to make 2 circles. We used stones that were already on our property when we bought it. It was getting quite dark, so the next day we continued and we put gravel in the outer circle and sand in the smaller one. And it's ready for a campfire. We used it the same night. We had a great time with family and enjoyed the fire while it's getting darker. We also admired the gorgeous sky with all the stars that God created. Thank you so much for watching.